In today's video, how to add highlight on Instagram from your camera roll. Launch Instagram app on your device and swipe right to bring up camera. Instead of taking your photo or video, tap on thumbnail at the bottom left to open your camera roll and choose your image or video you want to add to your highlight. Tap on arrow at the bottom right to proceed. Instead of sharing it with all your friends, tap close friends and choose person who doesn't use Instagram frequently, ideally someone with a profile picture. Hit share at the bottom, and once share, tap on done. Tap on your story, then tap on three dots at the bottom right, select story settings, go to close friends and unselect person you edit, and tap on done. Go to your profile by tapping on your profile icon at the bottom right, tap on new next to highlights, select story you just edit from your camera roll and then tap on next. Customize cover photo, add title and hit add.